that was just my puff pastry that we cut into squares. I'm now gonna come in with my little smokies, and I'm gonna place one smoky onto each square of my puff pastry for this super easy and delicious game day appetizer. I absolutely love making this because who doesn't love puff pastry and who doesn't love little smokies? Now you could do the beef smokies, you could do the cheddar filled smokies, but I'm just keeping it classic for this yummy appetizer. So let's get our smokies on our puff pastry. All right, now that those are in place, we're gonna bring our sheet pan and we are gonna grab our puff pastry with our little smoky and we're gonna give it a nice little wrap and place it downwards on to our pan. You can add parchment paper, but I am just gonna wing it because I really like the color of the green on the sheet pan, but we're gonna quickly place these in a fun and exciting way. But let's just start with one little line in the middle. Now that we have our little smokies in our game day shape, I'm gonna grab some butter and we're gonna do a quick little butter wash right on here. Super fast. This is just gonna help make our puff pastry nice and golden brown. Now, if you don't wanna use puff pastry, you can use a pizza crust or crescent dough, but I just love how the puff pastry puffs up. It is my absolute favorite. Then we're just gonna make sure that all of these little smokies have a good butter wash on them. Beautiful. Now, it wouldn't be a game day appetizer without some cheese. I'm gonna do some shredded Colby Jack right on top of this. This is just gonna add all of that cheesy goodness, help everything stick together so that we get a perfect little pull apart game day appetizer. But you can skip the cheese or use a different kind of cheese. This is just what me and my family love. Okay, you don't need too much. That looks absolutely perfect. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 400 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Our pigs in the blanket smell absolutely incredible. Oh, okay. So this is supposed to be a football shape, and in order to make it look more like a football, I'm gonna grab my ketchup and we're gonna do something extra special. I had to hold my breath, but we've created the laces for our football, so now we are ready for game day. Now, when your party guests come, they can just pull apart the football, grab a little smoky, look how beautifully cooked that is, dip it in the ketchup, and enjoy.
Is it good?
Go Niners.